Hello, everyone. My name is Aline Garcia, and I am a program manager at Magic and a former mentee of Magic as well. Today, I have the pleasure of interviewing Alisha and Jammie. To get us started, can you introduce yourself, Alisha?
Hi, my name is Alisha D, and I'm an eighth grader at Rachel Carson Middle School located in Fairfax, Virginia.
Awesome. And Jammie?
And I'm Jammie Mounts. I'm a software engineer at Slack and I live in Bailey, Colorado.
Awesome. Yeah, first off, again, congratulations, Alisha, on an amazing project and presentation. You should
Thank
be
you.
really proud of yourself and the work that you have done.
Thank you.
So to start us off, Alisha, can you tell us a little bit about your project, starting off with the goals that you had in mind?
So my project is basically a website where people can rate and review different movies on the website. So I wanted people to be able to see different ratings for each movie so that they can find good suggestions. And I also wanted them to be able to write their own reviews if they had different opinions about a certain movie.
Awesome. And for your project, you worked on both front-end code and back-end code. Did you have any preference while working on it? Is there one that you find most interesting?
I think backend code is probably more interesting because it deals with a lot of data and numbers, but then front end code was definitely a lot easier. I'd say I like backend code more because it has more elements and it's more interesting in my opinion.
Awesome. And what was the biggest highlight throughout the session that you encountered?
I really loved coding my project, especially creating my homepage because trying to format everything and adding in all the links was really fun, and that was definitely my favorite part.
And the question for you, Jammie, from your perspective, what are the next steps that you see for this project?
One thing that we didn't really get to is the whole concept of deployment and putting our website out in the public so other people can contribute to it. It was kind of a development site. So Alisha took to really complicated concepts so easily. I think that deployment, which is a pretty hard thing to do, would be a really fun next step.
Awesome. And Alisha, another question for you. How do you see this project influencing any future work that you might do?
So this project really helped me get more familiar with coding. So if I ever wanted to code more websites, this would have really helped me get a foundation for my coding knowledge.
Awesome. And one last question for you, Jammie. What aspects of your career or background did you use to support Alisha in this process?
In my career, I use a lot of front-end web technologies like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So I was able to pull from that and help Alisha with that. And then for the back-end concepts, we were learning together in a lot of ways and using the documentation online and just thinking about CS practices to get there for that.
Awesome. Thank you both again so much for spending the time to talk to me, and also, again, impressive job. You did an amazing project, and I'm really excited to see any future work that you might do, Alicia.
Thank you
So
so
thank
much.
you, of course.